Well, hello and welcome. It is time once again to try to repair something. And today on the bench I've got a PS4 Pro that is supposed to be very dead, no power. So let's just put that to the test right off the top here. Find a cord. Let's see. Alright. Alright, we're plugged in. Eject. No response from eject. No response from power. Try a disk here. Nope. No response from inserting a disk. So that's pretty dead. So do you have a power supply problem or a main board problem? I don't know. And I'm not sure if I've got one of these power supplies laying around to test. Pretty sure I don't. Now let me get this top off, and maybe I'll pull the power supply out and we'll see if it's putting out anything, because I don't think I got anything to swap it with. Alright, well, I'm taking the covers off of this thing to get the power supply out. I just noticed something. Look down in that rear USB port. That has seen better days. I wonder if something's shorted in there. Well, I got the bottom cover off, and if you notice, there's two screws missing. One there, and one there, the ones that hold the power supply in. So yeah, I think somebody's already swapped out this supply, and that probably did not fix the issue. Well, let's keep digging. Well. Here we go again. Yep, somebody took it apart and ripped the 4-pin power supply cable off from the motherboard. So, get to fix that, and then figure out what was originally wrong with it. Maybe it was that USB port. Don't know. But at least they left the connector. Sometimes they just throw the connector away. I don't know why. But I'm glad we have that. So that's the first thing to fix. And I don't think I've got one of those USB ports. Let me see if those are available online. Let me get on into it. We'll get this board out and get it inside. Take a look under the microscope. See if we can get this repair cranked up. Welcome inside to my workbench. I'm going to get started on reinstalling this ripped connector here. And I have gone ahead and ordered this rear USB, which apparently is the same as the one on the PS5. I'll find out. That's what I ordered, I think, but apparently this is a standard type USB 3 connector. So yeah, that'll probably take a few days to get here, but through the magic of editing, it all happened instantly. So, but I thought I might as well go ahead and get started on this ripped connector and get that part of it done, and maybe I'll do some cleanup and have it ready and waiting when the USB connector gets here. Well, let's get to it. been a few days since I worked on this PS4 Pro. I did get the 4-pin connector put back on. I have not tested it, so I'm hoping that's good. I mean, I think it's on there good, but I don't know if that's the only problem the board has. I'm gonna go ahead, I think, though. I got in these USB connectors, so I'm gonna try putting one of these on and you know, go ahead and do that before I put the board back in the chassis. But yeah, so I'm hoping that was the only problem with this. We'll find out though. But let's go ahead and get this connector off. I've never replaced one of these, but I've got a few spares now. Same one used on the PS5 is my understanding. So let's see if we can get it swapped out. And finally, we are back out in the garage, ready to check this PS4 Pro. We repaired the 4-pin connector, reconnected that with the board, and replaced that USB connector in the rear. And I have not tried this thing, so I don't know what it's going to do. I do have the hard drive in it. Still pretty dirty, but I'd like to see if it's going to work before I bother cleaning it. Let's just go for power. We got lights, we got fan spin. And we have monitor locking, unsupported mode. I don't know what she's going to do. Maybe do a hard drive check. Yeah, we're stopping down. Spin back up. Do something. Alright, system check. Or storage check, I should say. Alright, I think we're going to be in good shape. I do need to check that rear USB. Alright, tell you what, I'll just stop recording. This is going to take a while. And when it gets through with this check and gets in the operating system, we'll try syncing my controller to the rear port. Well, maybe it's going to be quick about this. Okay. Well, let's just see what happens. Where is that rear port? There it is. Well, I see we have... Well, I saw power for a moment there. I think she's got power. We're coming on up. Okay, can I connect my controller? Yes. Can I click OK? Yes. All right, I think our rear port's going to be good. Excellent. Well, that's about all for this one, I think. I probably shouldn't show the guy's name. So maybe I'll just say new user. That will avoid all that. But anyway, yeah, there you are. You can see the she's working fine. Well, anyway, I hope that was somewhat entertaining, educational, informative, something. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next repair, which may be a PS5. I'm not sure. But anyway, I was going to point out also, just finished this PS4 Fat. Had the exact same issue. The connector was ripped off the board in that one. So it's not just the Pros that happens. It happens to these also. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.